Hey there YouTube, it's Marvin here. Welcome to my channel. If you are into DIY, like fixing your own car, whether installing a car stereo or dash cam in your car, or any project that you do that involves wires, it means that you are familiar with a wire stripper or wire crimping tools. And if that sounds like you, then keep watching, because today I am going to take a closer look with a Haisstronica Automatic Wire Stripper Crimper, and also have a built-in cutter. And this was sent to me by Haisstronica in exchange of this video. And if you're not familiar with the Haisstronica, they are specialized with this kind of tools, as you can see right there. So let me go ahead and open the box so that I can show you what's inside. Alright, so here's the box. Packaging is pretty simple. Inside we got the Haisstronica Wire Stripper, and it also comes with a crimper. Both of them are sealed in retail packaging, so which is always nice. Just looking at this, you can tell they're solid. They definitely feel high quality, honestly, more like professional grade tools, especially for a DIY guy like me. They also include a 340 set of solder seal wire connectors. These are marine grade, so they are waterproof and weatherproof, which help prevent corrosion on the wire connection, meaning that you can use these outdoors. And since these are marine grade, they are perfect for wiring, especially if you got a boat. It soldered the connection instead of just crimping it, so it's more secure than insulated and seal everything at the same time. That way it's fully protected and waterproof, meaning no water can go inside the connection. And compared to my old wire stripper, man, this is definitely a huge upgrade. This Haisstronica makes the old one feel like a toy. I don't even remember where I got this, but I can tell you right now that it is going to retire. Alright, so let's open the crimper as well. This is a ratcheting crimper, so to release the lock you just have to squeeze it again. And it feels really solid in the hand, so no complaints there. Now let's go ahead and try the 3-in-1 automatic wire stripper. You've got an adjustment screw here, depending on the wire size you are working with. Man, this thing is so smooth and easy to use. Let's try a bigger wire. This stripper is just perfect. Look at that. It stripped the outer insulation cleanly without damaging the inner wire at all. Funny enough, I totally forgot that it has built-in wire cutter as well. You can see I already grabbed my side cutter out of habit. Now let's try an electrical solid wire and see how it performs. It actually feels really satisfying to use. Definitely a keeper. And here is my old one. Yeah, this thing is terrible. So yeah, I'm really happy with this automatic wire stripper. Thank you Haisstronica for sending this. It's honestly, the quality and the performance is more than I expected, and you'll definitely be seeing me use this in my future videos. Now let's try the crimping tool. Alright, so the crimper performs really well too. So that's another keeper. It's a straightforward tool, nothing complicated to talk about. The quality is definitely more than I expected. Right, so let's go ahead and try out the solder seal connectors. What I've got here is the 340 piece set with the 5 different sizes. At the time of making this video, it was on sale for 29 Canadian dollars on Amazon. And if you don't need that many, they also have a smaller kits available. So here I'm trying it out with a butane lighter just to see if it would work in case you don't have a heat gun. It does work, but I think I overheated it, and I kind of burned the heat shrink tube. And again, keep in mind it's not recommended to use a butane lighter, so for proper result you really want to use a heat gun or a hot air machine if you have one. So this time I'm going to do it properly. I'm going to use my hot air station, and to my surprise, it actually matches the two-tone color of the station, so it's perfect. It's recommended to set the temperature to the highest settings because of the soldering process, so I'll go ahead and do that. So before heating up the connector, you want to make sure the seals on both sides are sitting on the wire insulation, not on the exposed wire. That's how you get a proper seal. And because of that, of course, you also need to make sure you strip the ends of both wires to the correct length. So yeah, that looks good. The last thing I want to try is the biggest size connector. I've got a big wire here, so let's do it. Okay, so that's heated up properly. It's not perfectly straight because I looped the wire, so it doesn't look pretty. But as you can see, the solder and the sealant are melted properly and the heat shrink tube isn't burnt. Now let me grab a pair of pliers and see how strong this connector is. Wow, that is super strong. Yeah, this big connector is perfect for high current stuff, like if you're wiring a car subwoofer, you need a big wires because those things are power hungry. So better cut this wire before I forget. It's a AC power cord, so I don't want to accidentally plug it in and cause a short circuit. Alright, so that is my review of the Haisstronica Automatic Wire Stripper Crimper and soldering connectors. And if you are interested, you can find the link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.